Good Tuesday morning to you. This is the Loudoun County weather outlook for today. We're really going to focus mainly on today due to the severe weather threat that we have. This is a little bit higher than what we saw the last weekend, both on the models showing a lot more precipitation and potential for severe weather, and just the overall look and feel of things. There's a front that's going to be moving and approaching us, as well as upper level winds are going to increase this afternoon and evening to spark off some severe showers and thunderstorms. Exactly how severe they are over our area is a little bit questionable, only because the severe shift gets even more concentrated, even a little more to our east. So the question is, how severe are they here? I think wind threat is definitely higher. There could be some hail in some of these storms. There definitely could be some isolated tornadoes. We're just going to have to definitely look into for sure. So here's what the Storm Prediction Center is showing. Again, the enhanced risk for severe today. Again, the 5% chance of a tornado, a 15% chance that there will be severe hail. So that's a quarter size basically of hail. And then the best chances for high winds, about a 45% chance that within 25 miles there will be severe wind gusts. That's 56 miles per hour or above. As far as our severe. So that's kind of the way things are looking at this point as far as the severe looks. So now let's look at the models. And there are two models we primarily focus on for short range. These are high resolution, meaning they're local grid, or their chances of getting precipitation and ideas of where rain will be is a little more localized than what you get on the more global models with a longer term outlook. This is called the NAM. It's a nested model, meaning the nested just because of how close the plots are for where the severe will be, or where weather will be in general. Not necessarily severe, although I am definitely focused on the thunderstorm map here. So as we move into the future here, this is going to be your times. This is about us now. There were some showers around that were earlier thunderstorms. Those are kind of moving to the east as a warm front comes through. And this should heat us up. If we don't get a lot of sunshine today, the chances of severe will really go down. But as far as rain, we'll definitely get rain. And here we are later in the day. It's these storms, although they're not very, widespread at this point. These are early storms, around 4 or so. These are ones we're going to watch for even rotations. These are the ones I would say, if there's going to be a storm that potentially could produce a tornado, it's likely going to be these isolated storms. These are rotating storms. Rotating means that they have that ability to twist the winds and cause the spin in the atmosphere that would cause a tornado. These are the ones that are the most concerning. Again, don't really concentrate on location exactly, other than the fact that about 4 looks like we could hit convective potential where storms will break out. And again, if they do, they could be rotating. Then we have this mess of storms coming in here later, between about 5 and 7, and this will show up on another model called the HRR, which is actually giving us some information. And it's showing that between about 5 and 6, this line of thunderstorms, this first cluster is going to come through. To me, this is going to be the most severe threat we have out of this storm complex. On the NAM, it's a little bit faster than the HRR, and we'll see that soon. There will or could be some residual showers and maybe even a thunderstorm even later here at night. Here's 11 p.m., where maybe another batch of some stronger storms will move through. These, again, are thunderstorms we're depicting. It's just, how strongly these storms matter. Ironically, then, tomorrow, this front is slow to move. It's kind of still draped in the area even into tomorrow morning. And because of that, because the front is slow to clear the area, even tomorrow afternoon, showers and storms do break out. And again, these do have the potential to be severe and also rotate. I'm looking at this storm here, and it's showing even a potential for some rotation. It's a little further south and east of us. Don't worry about it again on location. It's a matter of whether or not there could be potential. I think this is mainly south and east of us. For tomorrow is where the biggest threat will be. But hey, we've got to watch it for potential some showers and storms. But this is going to then usher in the really nice weather and the long range. All right, so quickly look at HRR. Remember, models take hours to run. That's why we're already seeing 3 a.m. here. But here we're going forward here. So now we're 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is when the NAM was already showing some showers and storms in our area. There are some scattered showers and storms, in the region, but not really over us. These really kick off a little bit later, between about 6 and 8 p.m. That's when the HRR model is showing the real heavy cluster coming through. A little more solid line of severe weather potential here coming through as well. So it comes through, and then we kind of are no big deal even through the night and into tomorrow. So there are some scattered storms, but they look mainly south and east of us. Although here we are late tomorrow, maybe a shower of thunderstorms. So that's why they're saying we're not totally clear from showers and storms tomorrow as well, and maybe even strong and severe. Although I think we're more marginally outlined for it versus day we're enhanced outline for it. That really is it. You need to be on the lookout today and weather aware. All threats are on the table, but wind will be the most likely. I think there will be some strong wind damage in certain little locations. The question is whether or not they're Loudoun or in the region, and also how fast we clear out today. If we have it in the low 90s, we'd have much higher chance that some of these storms will be severe. So just be weather aware. This has been your Loudoun County day outlook for looking at the severe weather today.